खुली आंखों से देखे हैं हमने नए युग के सपने सुहाने, नहीं करेंगे जब तक सच हम इनको, नींद भी त्याग देंगे अपने। विश्वास खुद पे कर कर मेहनत करें हम जमकर, विश्वास खुद पे कर कर मेहनत करें हम जमकर, नई युग का करना निर्माण। हम भारत के नौजवान, देश के नाम हम कुर्बान, पाओगे हम सा कहाँ, हमारी तो अलग है शान। हम भारत के नौजवान, देश के नाम हम कुर्बान, पाओगे हम सा कहाँ, हमारी तो अलग है शान।
Freedom is the open window through which pours the sunlight of human spirit and human dignity. जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते है जहाँ नारा, वह भारत देश है हमारा, वह भारत देश है हमारा। A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, headmistress ma'am, academic coordinator ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Lakshmi Agnihotri and I Nandini Agarwal welcome you all to this momentous occasion of celebrating 78th Independence Day of our beloved nation, India. that highlights a pivotal moment from our independence struggle. Let's give a warm welcome to our young actors.
हिंदुस्तान चलती हूँ, तिरंगा बने कफन मेरा, यही अरमान रखती हूँ। भगत
Bhagat Singh, a prominent freedom fighter whose dedication and bravery continue to inspire generations.
We deserve to be free. Hey, look, I have hidden another gun here. When these guns will come from the tree, we'll take revenge on Britishers. Wow, Bhagat, you always do such brave things. Aren't you afraid? Fear is only for those who do not do the right thing. We are fighting for our country. You are right, my friend. We are with you and we will show them the power of our unity.
My son, you're so brave, but always remember the love for the country comes first. From his young age, Bhagat Singh was inspired by the tales of valor and sacrifice for the motherland. His resolve only grew stronger with time.
Bold actions to awaken our people. Our struggle will not be in vain. We are with you, Bhagat. We'll fight till our last breath. For the freedom of our country, we are ready for any sacrifice.
Bhagat Singh and his friends were fearless revolutionaries. They decided to take drastic steps to shake the foundation of the British rule. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev planned to throw a bomb in the Central Legislative
Who is responsible for this outrage? It is I, Bhagat Singh. This is a wake-up call for the British Empire. We seek freedom, not bloodshed. Arrest them.
Bold Act and subsequent trial ignited the spirit of revolution across the nation.
My son, your courage fills me with pride, but a mother's heart is heavy with sorrow.
Mother, do not grieve. My sacrifice will light up the path to the freedom for our country. Mom. Your execution date is set. And last words. सर्वों की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. Execute them.
Bhagat Singh's words and actions
That's correct. Bhagat Singh was known for his bravery and his commitment to the independence movement. Anyone else would like to answer? Yes, teacher. Bhagat Singh's story is so powerful. He was just 23 when he sacrificed his life. Rishabh, would you like to answer as well?
Yes, teacher. He said, they may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit.
Remember, students, our freedom is the result of such fearless dedication. We must cherish and uphold the values they fought for.
As we celebrate Independence Day, let's remember Bhagat Singh and countless other freedom fighters whose dedication and bravery have led us to where we are.
हम सिर्फ 3 थके रंग नहीं हैं जिसको एक पहिया ढो रहा है. हम सबूत है लाखों कुर्बानियों का जिसके बाद देश ने आज़ादी का सवेरा देखा. पर अफसोस राष्ट्रीय त्योहार की अगली सुबह लोग हमें भूल जाते हैं.
भूला जिसे तुझको वो याद करता रहा. तू जीता रहा तेरे लिए वो मरता रहा. तेरे दर्द की आहट सुनी तो आ गया सब छोड़ के. भूला जिसे तुझको वो याद करता रहा।
ध्वज को देखकर हमें देशभक्ति, त्याग व बलिदान, ध्वज के प्रति सम्मान करने की प्रेरणा देता है।
जगाए अपने दिलों में हम एक नई सुबह जगाए सारे जहां पे हिम्मत करे आगे बढ़े नए रास्तों पे सारी दुनिया अभिमान
तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले बहती रहे तेरी गंगा। ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो तारों को छूमे तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले मारे चलते रहे बेखौफ हवाएं लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू तारों को छूमे तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले मारे चलते रहे बेखौफ हवाएं लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू तारों को छूमे तिरंगा। जय हो आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले
When we talk about Independence Day, we all know that many years ago, a group of brave patriots bound by a shared dream of liberty forged a path towards self-governance and laid the foundation for a nation that will stand as a beacon of hope and opportunity for generations to come. They declared their independence not just from the rule of a distant monarchy, but from tyranny itself. We all know that how the Indians were treated during the British rule, and a glimpse of it you saw in that skit also, that how our freedom fighters have laid down their lives for their country. You're running the slightest of fever or something, how your mothers get worried about it, how your parents take care of it. But the people who laid down their lives at the borders for the, during that war of independence, they were also somebody's child, somebody's brother. They also had a family behind them. And look at the sacrifice of the family and of those people, that they did not care for anything. Even now, you can see that the people who are guarding our borders, the ones who are posted at all these places, Siachen and all that, where the temperature goes in minus, there are lines of control where the temperature rises like anything. So in those odd weather conditions, they continuously 24/7 they are guarding our border, so that this freedom that has come with so much of pain, with so much of struggle, and with so much of sacrifice can be protected. So I think let's salute those brave heroes who laid down their lives for our nation during the time of War of Independence, and even now we must salute the soldiers who are at the borders protecting all of us. This is our duty. And for you children, that the meaning of patriotism is not only going to the border and fighting. You can serve your nation in many different ways. Any little thing that you can do, any little good deed that you can do becomes the service to the nation. And I'm sure that you all belong to DPS, and when you move out of this institution, when you move out of the portals of this school, you will actually do something good for the nation, and that is what DPS stands for. That is what the values that we teach you in school stand for. So happy Independence Day to everyone. I'm sure that today, for a little while, each one of you must think and within yourself pay some gratitude to the people who serve our nation and who have laid down their lives for our nation. Jai Hind.
रास्तों के कांटों की परवाह नहीं, मंजिल पे हमारी से नजर, हम हैं जोशीले पर गुमराह नहीं, अच्छे बुरे की हमको खबर, पर्वतों से लड़कर ऊंचाइयों पे चढ़कर, पर्वतों से लड़कर ऊंचाइयों पे चढ़कर छू लेंगे हम आसमान। हम भारत के नौजवान, देश के नाम हम कुर्बान, पाओगे हम सा कहाँ, हमारी तो अलग है शान।